I'm Gita, celebrity makeup artist, and I'm going to show you how to create a gorgeous nighttime look using just a couple of products. When you're wearing daytime makeup, people are going to see you in natural light, so you have to have a much lighter hand. But at night, you're going to be seen in candlelight or a more artificial light, so you can apply a heavier makeup and it'll still look natural and beautiful. So Milena is fresh-faced and gorgeous, but now we're going to get her ready for nighttime, and for that I want to accentuate her brows. Give her a bolder brow that can look really beautiful in the nighttime. And then I'm going to add some lashes. False lashes in the day, maybe not such a great idea, but at night they can look incredible. And then we're going to add a bold lip to balance it out, and she's going to be nighttime ready. So the first step is to create this beautiful bold brow. Once the brow is on, then you can really tell what sort of makeup you need after that. I'm using a small waxy pencil to create brush-like strokes. Now the key is to not push down too hard. You just want a really soft pencil. Rule of thumb, for a brunette, I like to go a shade lighter, and for a blonde, I like to go a shade darker, and I think that gives the most natural effect. The next step is going to be adding a little bit more mascara for nighttime. In order to keep the lashes defined and clump-free, I'm going to use the Tweezerman lash comb, and I'm going to run it through after every mascara application. I'm applying a layer of mascara, and then I'm going through with the comb, and I'm starting at the roots and going right up to the edges, and this removes any clumps and it creates a really well-defined lash that just looks more natural. I'm going to do about 3 or 4 coats of mascara, so I will use the lash comb 3 or 4 times in between each coat. So as you can see, the result is really defined, doe-eyed lashes, which are the perfect base for my false eyelashes that are going to come next. The next step is probably the most fun, and it is the false eyelashes. I love individual lashes. I think they're a lot more natural, and I use them on my celebrities pretty much every day. But my clients are often scared to put them on themselves. They think it's impossible. But with the Tweezerman Lash Assist, it's a total game changer. When I apply individual lashes, I do create this really attractive hairy hand by putting the individuals on the back of my hand, so I have some control. I then apply a little dot of glue on my hand, and that's what I work off. For the most natural look, you want to alternate between mediums and shorts, or just do shorts, depending on the length of your lashes. So you want to grab each lash with your Lash Assist tool, and you apply a tiny drop of glue just at the base, look down, and then you just want to press it into the base of the lashes, and then you can manipulate it with your hand. Always look straight ahead at the mirror, and you want to make sure that it's laying flat. And then to get this base as close as possible, you just use the back of your tweezer, and that way the lash is undetectable. And it's really up to you where you want to put the lashes. For a more cat eye effect, you put longer lashes on the end, and for a more doe-eyed effect, you want to put the longer lashes in the middle. As you can see, the Lash Assist tool has this really clever little angle, so that means you can get in there, and it's even easier when you're doing them on yourself. So having individuals like this will really make your eyes pop, but they look so natural, no one will even know you're wearing lashes. And as you see, they just sit on the lash, and once they're there, they're undetectable. The final step with the lashes is I'm going to apply a little bit of this gel liner, and I'm going to use a small brush and apply it in between the lash line to create a nice base for the lashes and to make them look even more natural. When I'm applying false eyelashes, I want them to look as natural as possible, and especially my celebrities don't want people to know they're wearing them. So applying this gel liner really makes them disappear and look just like your natural lashes. The final step to this look is this great pop of color on the lip. It'll really balance out the brows and the lashes and make it a perfect evening look with impact. So I'm using a really great red that is a sort of a true red, universally red. This is going to make her green eyes pop, and nothing complements a great lash and a good brow like a red like this. It's such a fantastic look for night, and it has a lot of impact, but it's still natural and classic. Here you have the finished look. She looks fresh and radiant. The brows are fantastic, her eyes really pop, and that classic red lip really finishes off the look, and she's ready to go out.